I'm going to be showing you is how to install batten bar onto a curb. That's actually the termination of the field membrane before you go ahead and wrap the curb. So it's as simple as this. We'll take some batten bar. Batten bar is the flat stock. There are termination bar, but you want to use batten bar for this. So you're going to hold it about roughly 2 inches in from each side. And then you just go ahead and take your snip, cut it off the length. And then when you get that cut, you want to round your corner. You don't ever want to leave a square corner because it's just something that may cut into the rubber. And then those little cutoff pieces, don't leave them on the membrane because that will cause a hole if somebody goes ahead and steps on that. So you're going to use 1 1/4 screws. The screw to attach it to the curb. You lift that down, you make sure that that's down good at a 90. You set it in, you want to hold it up from the field roughly 1/4 inch. You don't want it laying right directly onto the field. Take your screw gun, get it set. And you'll put one in every hole on your batten bar, which is roughly about 6 inches apart. And you never want to put one in the middle and then work out, because if you put one in the end and then one over here, you're going to end up with a buckle in your batten bar. So you want to work one end to the other. Make sure this doesn't climb on you though when you're putting it in. And then you're going to take a utility knife. You want to leave about 1/2 inch of the rubber above the bar. This is about the only time you're going to be using a utility knife up on a roof. You don't want to use it to cut membrane off the roll or anything like that. And that's the installation.